ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। बोलो पूर्ण ब्रह्म नारायणी शिशिमानंदमय की जय। Okay, I am showing you what I like. Okay, now it's up to you. It's a banana raita, so it's basically sweet and tangy, so people feel banana and raita. Yeah, that's what I make sometimes and eat. So I'm just showing you. So I'm taking dahi. As much as you need, you take it in your serving bowl. Okay, and then we can check it out later if we need more, and just beat it up. It's quite simple, but it's tasty. So I'm going to chop one banana and see if we need more dahi or whatever. You have to adjust. This is kala namak, pink salt. Okay, put a little bit. Put jeera powder. Put red chilli powder. And salt. That's it. And then chop your banana. Mix this. Then take your banana. And just chop it very finely. Thin slices. Don't make it very thick. I just do everything roughly, okay? No precision that way. It's quite simple, but I quite like it. And just throw it in. Got stuck. That's it, and then stir it. I think the dahi is okay, this is how much you need. Now if I put one more banana, then probably I'll need more dahi, but I'm not putting one more banana. This is it. Banana raita, ready. And you then just put it in the fridge and let it chill. And when you're serving, it has to be cold. That's it. Okay, so try it, let me know. Give me comments. It's very simple. So you'll feel banana and raita. Yes, it's sweet and tangy because we put kala namak and everything. Okay, so that's all for today. Om sahana vavatu sahana bhunaktu sahaviryam karvavahe tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahe. Om shanti shanti shanti. बोलो शिशिमानंदमय की जय। आज का रायता बहुत बढ़िया। जय माँ।